Now let's think about Freud's conception of the self. It's derived from the tradition of Western philosophy, particularly the one that comes out of Descartes. And we have to think just a little bit about Descartes to see why Freud is important, why it's a big change. For Descartes, who is the philosopher of systematic skepticism, the one thing that he couldn't be doubtful of, the one thing that he couldn't call into question was his own existence. Introspection for Descartes, looking into the contents of your own mind, of your own experience, was privileged and transparent. In other words, from Descartes' view, if you don't know what's going on inside your head, who does? Which is a very sensible idea. The problem that Freud offers us is that perhaps our introspection, perhaps our knowledge of ourself, is not clear, is not transparent, that it is systematically unreliable data. So what happens here is this. Freud takes the Cartesian cogito, the self, the observer of Western philosophy that founds Western science, and splits it. What we get here is a splitting of the subject. And this is almost perfectly analogous to the splitting of the atom, which is happening at just about the same time. In one case, we split the fundamental unit of matter and generate new and interesting epistemological problems from that splitting of our integral unit.